Have you ever tried to open a metal gate on a really hot day and it just won't budge? Or seen train tracks buckle in the heat? That's not your imagination. Metal actually expands when it gets hot. Why does this happen? What's going on with the atomic level? And can we see it happen in our own eyes? Let's find out.
Start with the basics. Everything around us, including metal, is made of atoms. In solid metal, those atoms are arranged in a tight, regular pattern like this. When the metal gets hot, energy is added. This energy causes the atoms to vibrate faster and push away from each other. This spreading out of atoms is what causes the metal to expand. This process is called thermal expansion. And it's not just metals, it happens in most materials. But metals show it very clearly because of how well they conduct heat.
Let's try experiment. To see this in action, you will need a metal rod or wire coat hanger, a candle or lighter, a ruler or tape measure, something to clamp or hold the metal still. Step 1. Measure the length of the metal rod at room temperature. Step 2. Carefully heat one end of the metal for about 1 or 2 minutes using the candle. Be careful as an adult for help if needed. Step 3. Measure the rod again. It might only grow a tiny bit, but maybe half a meter. But that's thermal expansion. Even though it's a small change, this same idea on larger structures like bridges or train tracks can lead to major movements.
Here are a few places where metal expansion really matters. Railway tracks. In summer, tracks can warp or buckle if there are no room for the metal to expand. Bridges. Engineers build expansion joints, little gaps that let the metal grow and shrink with temperature. Power lines. On hot days, they sag because the wires get longer. On cold days, they tighten up.
Different materials expand at different rates. That's called the coefficient of thermal expansion. Aluminum expands more than steel, glass expands very little, rubber expands a lot but differently because it is more flexible. That's why things like engine parts or cooking pans are made from specific metal that can handle temperatures changes without damage.
So, next time you struggle with a metal gate on a hot day, remember, it's just physics at work. Heat makes atoms move more, and that tiny atomic dance causes the metal to grow. Pretty cool, right? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science like this. Got a question or experiment idea? Drop it in the comments.